motion sound. Okay, well apparently it's recording. Say hi, because I'm probably going to put this on YouTube.
Hi.
Apparently this is a haunted house. But it's not creepy to me. Go zoom up on the
See how
window.
it turned out so far on the...
No, I'm zooming up on the windows. Because windows are usually where you see things. In my type of case.
You should go look in the window.
Go right ahead.
Put the camera in there and scan the room.
Yeah, no. Oh, that's weird.
What?
If you zoom up on the garage window, there's little lights inside.
Really?
Well, I'll show you later.
Let's go look in the window.